I've got no bandsaw. My bandsaw just died. If I turn it on, you can hear it buzzing. It's trying to start. Now I originally thought it was the brushes on the motor, but it's in an induction motor, so it hasn't really got brushes to change. And I bypass all the safety protocols. We hear it buzzing, and we can get it running like that. So, I am not sure what's wrong. And I'm not an electrician of any type. There's probably something in there I can change or get done. It's an induction motor, so there's no brushes to change or anything, so my bandsaw broken. What we're doing now is I'm going to take the table off, take it off its stand to make it lighter, and we'll take it into some place to say that they can have a look at it, see what they say. Upgrading to the Carbatec one that I've been looking at, so no bandsaw there. I got it up to there. However, we've still got the scaffolding up, so I'm not sure how I'm going to get it past that yet. And into the car is going to be a bit more difficult. There you go, bandsaw's in the car in the back seat. Believe it or not, if you can see it through the window, haven't got my key. Bandsaw go to doctors. Maybe the bandsaw's got COVID. It was hard of breathing. Had difficulty breathing. Yeah, that's what I've got now, bringing it up there. Yeah, maybe the bandsaw's got COVID.